Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable labs in Azure. Labs is a clever tool from Microsoft that increases security by giving each Windows machine a unique local admin password, rotating it automatically and storing it securely in Azure. First, you need to globally enable labs for your devices in the Entra Admin Center by clicking on Identity and navigate to Devices. Select Overview and then Device Settings. Then change this option to Yes. And save it. You can then switch to the Intune Admin Center, select Endpoint Security, and then Account Protection. In this section, you can create a new policy. Select your platform and profile Windows Labs. Then click Create. Enter a name for the policy. Now you can specify some settings. With Backup Directory, you can specify where the key should be stored. Then you can change the number of days a password is valid until it is changed. If you do not have a default administrator account active, you will need to specify the name of that account. Note that this option does not create an account. If you leave this option unchecked, the service will use the built-in administrator. Then you have options for password complexity, length, and post authentication. Click Next and Next again. Then you can assign this policy to groups or, as in my case, select all devices. Now you have a summary and you can click Create. You can see the password in Intune under All Devices. Then select a device. Then here you have Local Administrator Password Recovery. After a while, you will find here the password for the local admin account. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like or a comment. If you hit the subscribe button, I would be very happy and grateful. Bye.